Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Katie. Today we are getting a new couch for our living room. I'm so excited. And if you are curious, we are getting a couch from Living Spaces. I ordered it online literally like a couple days ago and it's already being delivered. So that's what's coming today. I'm so excited to show you guys. I will insert a clip of what the living room looks like right now. So yeah, that's what the living room looks like right now. It's not super cute. It's kind of, I don't know, it just looks odd and it needs an update, refresher. It needs to go to the next level of adult. So yeah, let us get this living room ready to go. Empty living room. Just have to take the coffee table out. I cleaned up some of the carpet. That's what those spots are. This couch is so big. Kitty's checking it out. Rory, what is it? Wow. Okay guys, here is our living room. It's not fully completed because like this table needs to go. I don't know what to do with it. And look, we got our little sleepy baby. One sleepy baby and two sleepy baby. Anyways, so this is how the couch looks in here now. It looks so good. I think I want to get like a standing lamp or something because usually we have two lamps in here. I put the other one in this corner. I don't know. We'll see what it's like when it's dark outside, but I think this looks so good. And there's plenty of room between the fireplace and this chase lounge. So now we have two chase lounges in here. I don't know what to do with that, but this is what we got going. I think it looks so nice with the whole room. So we bought a couch from Living Spaces. It's called the Bonaterra couch in charcoal. It's an L-shaped couch, right facing, I think, with a chase lounge. This couch makes it kind of awkward to have a coffee table, but we decided to put one of these square tables, what this is sitting on right now, in the middle of the couch, and I think it'll work just fine for now. It's not permanent. We also put a little side table that we had in another room on the side of the couch for a lamp, so we'll see where that goes. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I want to keep you guys updated on how the couch lasts. I've seen some reviews here and there that say that it like sinks or it's not super comfortable. Anything will be more comfortable than the couch we had before this. I am telling you, anything. Right now, we put it in our garage with the coffee table, so it's like this little living room situation, but no one's gonna want to sit on it because it's very uncomfortable. But I am loving how it looks in here. I'm so excited to watch a movie tonight on it and just like chill. My dog loves it. The cats love it. It does have some smell to it. I know that it's probably like straight out of the warehouse and will take a couple days to like fully like relieve that smell. I'm sure it's some sort of chemicals that I don't want in my house, but you know what? We're on a budget. We're trying to make these things work. So this is what worked for us. So yeah, the shipping and delivery process was super smooth. The guys that delivered the couch were super nice and they made it just like so easy. Like everything about this couch was easy. They like brought it in the house for us and we set it up ourselves. I think it was $6 for indoor drop off. and you could pay for more if you wanted them to put the couch together for you, but literally the couch is already together. I don't know why you would pay for someone to put the couch together for you, but we literally just unwrapped it. I guess we do have all the trash from it, but we're going to make a dump run soon here anyways. So yeah, it's so nice. I'm looking at it right now and it's just like the most fun adult purchase ever. So I know this is like an odd video that is like random in my book videos, but you know, we're always reading. If you're curious to know what book I'm reading, I am actually listening to a book on Scribd right now called Happily Letter After by V. Keeland and Penelope Ward. I heard Larry Reed's talk about it on her last, I think it was Larry Reed's, on her YouTube video, what she read in April, and it sounded interesting, so I thought I'd listen to it and give it a go. And yeah, guys, that is all for today's video. If you have any questions, comments, put them down below. I will be happy to respond, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!